Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to week 7, day 3. Today is Wednesday, June 10th. I would like you to check out your agenda slide. Please remember that you need to open this slide deck first before opening the Gold Rush slide deck. This way you will be able to know what it is that we're studying for today. So as you can see here, we are looking at the life of a 49er. Going to come back, complete your work, which is this page for today, and then you will do your lesson check-in and let me know what you thought of the lesson for today. What worked, what didn't work, what you liked, if there was something you didn't like. So as you saw yesterday, the slide that we had to fill out was pretty much a mirror image of the slide that we looked at on the second slide deck. So this one may be similar to that. So you want to look at what you're looking for. It says insert a picture of the main tools a miner would use. So if you don't want to insert a picture, you can just add the text of what they are. So whatever the tools are, you can write it out if you don't want to put a picture there. Okay, and then this is a day in the life of a gold miner. So what do they do at 5 a.m.? What do they do at 6 a.m.? What do they do at noon? What do they do at 6 p.m.? And what do they do at 7 p.m.? What did miners like to do for fun? Use words or pictures. If you like to add pictures, by all means you can, but you may type out your answers as well. Okay, remember, if you delete, what do you do? Oh no, I deleted it. Do I turn it in like that? No. You go up to your handy dandy little backward undo and it will come back. If you go out of your slide deck, it will save the way you left it. So make sure you fix it before you go out. If not, you can ask me for help and I will try and help you to get those parts back. If you turn in an assignment with blank slides, you will receive a 0. I had a few students last week get zeros on their assignment because they turned in blank slides. You need to communicate with me. If you need help, then I will be happy to help you. But if you don't, tell me. I'm not going to know. Make sure that you come to my office hours at 1 o'clock. Everyone is welcome. And I would be happy to help you then as well. All right, our second slide deck. Remember, we're going to go to present mode. Once it opens, click here to get started. And today we're looking at the life of a 49er. Okay, so we're going to read here and then it says click a category below to learn more. So each of these have different slides to look at. Did prospectors really get rich? So this gives you all this information and it gives you places to click. Click here to see the general store prices compared to today's prices. So this is how much during the gold rush things were. This is how much it is now. Okay, let's see. Prospectors had no choice but to buy their supplies from the general stores near the gold mines. The general stores owners often charged outrageous prices, making them very rich. Compare the prices of the items purchased in the general stores to how much it would have equaled in today's prices. So for beef, carne asada or beef, for 1 pound. Now 1 pound is not very much, okay? So 1 pound at that time was $10. If we were to be charged the same price that they were charged then, because remember, money had a different value back then. So what $10 was to them would have been $279 to us. Okay, so the value of the money was different. That's a lot of money. Can you imagine paying $279 for 1 pound of beef? 1 pound of beef may feed a family, maybe, depending on what you're using it for. For butter, okay, butter is, again, you know what butter looks like in your house. 1 pound of butter was $20, and that equaled 500, almost $600. Can you believe that? Eggs, $3 per egg, not $3 per dozen, $3 per egg, which is about $83 per egg. That's insane. So go ahead and look at this. Oranges, 15 cents per orange, which is the same as $363. So to pay that much money for one orange. So you can see that they had to go here. They didn't have any other choice. So because the market knew that, they said, well, we have the supply and there's a big demand. So what we're going to do is we're going to gouge people and we're going to get as much money as we can from them, which wasn't really a kind thing to do, especially when you see how expensive things were. Think about how people lived. I mean, that's pretty crazy. All right, so when you're done here, you're going to push go back and it's going to bring you back here. This one there's another arrow, so you want to click on this person and then go back. And remember, when you're done reading this part, you're going to click the arrow. The arrow is going to bring you here. Then click on gold mining. This one has a video. And it's kind of interesting. It's how to pan for gold. So it kind of shows you what people did back then, like what they used and how they did that. Now, I remember there was something that asked about the mining tools. Okay, so if you don't want to put a picture, you can write the words. So shovel, pan, and pickaxe. And I know a lot of you know what a pickaxe is because you guys play Minecraft. So you want to go through any of these. Did prospectors have any fun? So this tells you all the things they did for fun. And right here, if you click it, it's going to play some music for you that they heard back in that time, like music they would have liked. And then a day in the life. So here's that picture we were looking at, remember? And you're going to click here for video. So there's lots of little places to click. It's almost like a mystery. You have to like figure it out. And that is all for today. So we will have done Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Again, you can go and look at these if you'd like. If not, that's okay too. You're going to exit out and then you're going to go back to your other slide deck to complete your work. Make sure you go back and look. If you don't remember, go back and look. All right, guys, that's it for today. Have a great day of learning.